Hey everybody, welcome. Summer Online Comp 1 with review. My name is Mr. Hancock, and this video, if you see anything about due dates or anything like that, ignore them because this video will be used throughout different terms and everything like that. So only pay attention to the due dates that you see in your particular class when you go into Blackboard at the moment, not what this video says. This video is just to show you the standard structure of how to navigate around the new Blackboard Ultra. So here we are. As you can see, I'm down in the corner, hi. But looking here, this is what you should be able to see. So I just wanted to take a minute to show you a few things. Of course, not everything's showing up just yet because not everything is, visible at this point in the term. So as the term progresses, more things will become visible. So here we are. Once you click into this, and again, I always tell my students, I bundle, even though this is English Composition 1 and Composition Review, the way I do it is that I bundle them into one Blackboard shell and work everything together. So it kind of becomes like an easier one-stop shop for the students and everything. So don't go to the Composition Review because you won't see anything. There should be like a note here. It says, don't. Go to the other one. You're on the wrong shell. And we call these shells, by the way. They're kind of like just websites for your class. So when you come here, notice I'm in English Composition 1. Again, ignore this. Yours is going to look just like this. If it's not Summer 24 or you're in a different section, that doesn't matter. All right. So here we are, and you'll notice as soon as you get here, you'll have some stuff at the top. Here's your calendar. Anytime there's an assignment put into Blackboard at the moment, it shows up in this calendar. So when I click here, you can go to month view, and you'll notice we got a couple of three assignments coming up this week if it's the 1st of July. So you'll see that. Also, announcements is important here, y'all. This is where anytime I have something to announce to the class, or let's just say I get about 10 of the same emails, most of the people in the class are emailing me. Instead of emailing to everybody individually, I'm just going to answer through the announcements, items like that. If I move a due date, if something's wrong and I fix it, I want to let you guys know. This is where it'll go. But it will also go to your Pulaski Tech email account. So be sure you're paying attention to that as well. A lot of people get dings on their phone, from their Pulaski Tech email. So that's why I like to do that. They will catch it there faster than they do here. The next is discussion. I don't have anything really posted in here yet. It says ask your classmates. This one here particularly is a place for y'all to go and talk with each other. But if y'all have any specific questions about due dates or problems or anything you don't understand, ask me directly. So when you go to here, it's just kind of, you can go in there and all it has people and they can come in here and write, and you can have your participants, you can talk to everybody in class, whatever. But whenever I have a discussion board post, it'll say week 1, which I'm going to make one shortly. Week 1, and it'll post right under it. You'll click it, and there will be rules for posting. Follow the rules, okay? Most of the time when people lose points, it's because they're not following the rules. So follow those rules, y'all. Here's your grade book. This will show you everything that we have open. One of these, to that point, I'm going to delete that one. It's not supposed to be there. There should be a percentage column too. So you'll have a total column out of how many points you have out of what we've done. A percentage column, which, like I said, will show up right under that. I'll get that fixed shortly. This will be gone, and you only have the assignments that are open at the moment that are there, okay? So to show you where you are, what you've done, and so on. And as soon as I grade them, they go right in here. This is the grade book, y'all. 24/7 access. Everything you need to know. All right. Notice here where it says messages. Don't use this, okay? Let me make this clear. Don't try to send me a message in this because I won't get it. I never check it, and I'm only doing the email communication through, and I use this as my phone, or point to my phone, through actual UAPTC email. So when you email me, in the syllabus will talk about this too. When you email me, make sure that you tell me who you are and what class you're in the section. The section, y'all, this right here. What are you? Are you W24, W26, A10, B20? What are you in? So make sure you tell me which section you're in. Now, and then you just be very clear with what your issue is and what your question is, okay, y'all? So make sure you do that. Don't worry about groups either, all right? Now, let's get over to content. That's where the big stuff is. So when you come right here, you want to go to start here. Under here, faculty information, that's a little bit about me. If you'd like to know more about me, there you go. But start here, obviously that's where you want to start, with a big blue exclamation point. The way the new Blackboard works is once you click something, it'll populate under it, as you can see right here, okay? So here we are. Here's your syllabus. I'm not going to read it to you. You read it. It's very important. If you need help, some of these, like the technology requirements, course description, required materials, all of that stuff is what you'll see in the syllabus anyway, but still, there's a lot more stuff you need to see in the syllabus. And everything like that sort. Required materials. I provide the text. Everything you need will be provided in Blackboard. Mainly you need, in this, I'm being serious here, note-taking material, a computer to access your content, and internet. Obviously, it's an online class. You have to have internet. So, but here's the big deal. Make sure that you are not doing this from a phone, okay? Blackboard Ultra is a little bit more phone friendly, but I'm telling you, there's no way you can complete a composition class online from a phone or a tablet or something like that. You have to do it from a computer. Most of the time when I have people like have major tech problems, and I mean major, it's because they're using a phone. Do not use a phone. Bottom line, okay, y'all? Anyway, there's that. Here, this course agreement form. This is like, it's a quiz. We have to give you to do in this first week some work. If you not only have to come to class and log in, you have to do work. So you have to complete an assignment, or you will get dropped on this first week. So this is a little easy to do quiz. Make sure you do that. Let's start here. Now, down here, let's go to course content. This is where your units start, okay? So here you'll notice Unit 1, the narrative essay. That's where we are. This first week is Unit 1. Again, I just want to show this to you to give you an idea how this works so you can get in there and explore. And the best way to do this, y'all, is to get in there, get lost, and just find your way out. That's the best way. So when I click this, it populates again under it. So here we are. This is a video that talks about the class. Now, of course, it's 4 years old, and Blackboard looks different. Ignore any due dates. Just pay attention to the instructions because the assignment is the same. It's a video of me going over it. You'd be surprised at how many people don't watch my videos on online classes. And man, it's to your detriment. I'm telling you. Watch the videos. Now, these two folders here, narrative essay handouts, and notice here you'll see dates. This gives you an idea of what days you need to be working on these items, okay? So Monday, today, and tomorrow, it needs to be these handouts, all right? So when I click this, you got 4 handouts. Read first. Those are your instructions, okay? Due dates, length, instructions, topics for the paper, everything. Everything else you'll need as well. More handouts. We'll cover these on Friday mainly. How to upload your essays. You need to know that by Wednesday. This is your outline. That will be due by next Tuesday? No. Friday. Outline's Friday, yes. And so on, y'all, that's it. I'm just walking you through this now. Follow these in order by the days that I have on there, okay? And that's all we have right now. So starting off right now, say this is Monday, July 1st in 2024, and you're just in here starting your first day. You just need to get in here and watch this video and start and study, all right? And let me know if you have any questions, okay? And I'll be having more videos come up and stuff, and I have plenty of videos in there as well. But start with this video, start with a start here, and start with Unit 1, reading and watching the instructions for the narrative essay, okay? And like I said, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks a lot.